I am Gaurav Chauhan, and today we are going to talk about Xposed Framework, one of its module called Greenify, and of course root. So let me first clear about this that this is not a routing tutorial. This is a general talk about Xposed Framework. I want to more focus on this Xposed Framework and its modules, specifically Greenify, and along with that, I would like to talk a little bit about root in Android. So guys, if you haven't heard about this expose, you I think you must know it. If you have a rooted device, you should definitely have it. It's a very nice thing, right? So what you need a rooted device and a patience, of course. So let me talk. Let us talk about root. What is a root? Actually, if you know, in a Linux there is a root. By root, what in the Linux word means is that you can have the administrative privileges. You can do system level stuff. As Android is a Linux device, you can also have a root privileges in Android. So once you have a root privileges, definitely you can do a system level stuff like installing a new operating system. So we call it a custom firmware. We can remove some system files, we can modify it, we can do a lot of things. So Google by default disabled it. Why? Because if everybody has a root access, then it might a chance that might damage the device. Okay, so that's why root is not available by default. You have to add the binaries, you have to do some procedure to get a root access on an Android device. Now we move on to this Xposed framework. What is Xposed framework? Xposed framework is a framework or a set of software, and it is definitely an APK file if you are a normal user, but it is a framework developed by a XDA developer user, and Greenify is a module, or Greenify is a software which can run on this Xposed framework. How do we get this both? So you would like to go to first Play Store in your device, of course, and then find Greenify. You find this Greenify and you install this on your device. This Greenify by OS Fang. Let me click on this. Yes, this Greenify, and secondly, you will need this Xposed framework. You visit this repo.xposed.info and click on this Xposed installer. You download this APK file and install this on your device. The current version is 2.7 experimental. It's not a stable version, I think. So this is one 2.6.1 stable device, stable APK file. You download this and you install. I would recommend this stable release instead of experimental release. So you download it and install it. So once you install it, you have you will have this Xposed framework installed. But make sure that you have this rooted device. So before going further, let me say that you need a rooted device. If you don't know how to root, you have to search it, and you first have to root your device. So once you install Xposed framework, it will warn you that in some cases your device might no longer boot after installing Xposed. Most of my friends have installed it and nothing weird has happened, but still be careful. Once the Xposed framework is there in your phone, you will see this screen. Yeah, from this framework you can update this framework and install it. Here you can get in the modules, you can get all the list of modules, and in a download you can download lots of many modules. So before going further, you make sure that you have USB decoupling enabled and this allow mock locations is also enabled. So as I have already shown that how to download Xposed, you go to repo.xposed.info and download the latest version. So once you install it, you will see that this APK file, actually this APK file we download from this is not an Xposed framework itself. It is an Xposed framework installer. Uh, Once you install it, there will be hyphens. When you open it, there will be hyphens here, a dash is here, and it will ask you to install it. You just tap on install, and the framework will be installed. Once the framework is done, you can tap here on the top and click on download. You will see list of frameworks, list of modules available. I have downloaded these two modules, boot manager and greenify. uh, Modules are the applications which run on Xposed framework. We have lots of good applications, but this greenify is a very nice application. So what is the procedure here is that you first visit this site, download Xposed installer, this Xposed installer, and then you click on install and update. You download this framework, and then you go to download the module. I would like to say that you first install this greenify. You can also install this greenify on a normal unrooted phone, but you won't get full features. If you want full phone to have a full power of this greenify module or application, then I suggest you that you install it on a rooted device. Once you open this greenify, you will see screens like this, screens like not this. The first screen will be like this. It will say that greenify, enjoy and forget. So once you are supposed to tap on this plus button. Once you tap on this plus button, it will scan your device and show the application which are running. The application which you don't use or application which you use whenever it is open, like I would say gallery. I use gallery when it is open. I don't want gallery to be run in background, then you can put it in hibernation state. So you have to just select any of this application and press this Z. Okay, and once you hibernate the application, it won't be running in the background. That's it. This is my first YouTube video. Actually, I am trying to put up things. I will be coming with more better video and more better English, more better scripted videos. This is I'm just trying. Thanks for watching, and read this warning before you leave. Thank you.